Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, NGC 224, and UGC 454, is our neighboring galaxy and is located in our local group. It is approximately 2.5 million light-years away and can be seen with the naked eye from Earth, appearing as a faint smudge in the night sky. It is one of the largest galaxies visible in our universe and contains about 1 trillion stars. The study of Andromeda provides astronomers with a better understanding of galaxy formation, evolution, and the cosmic landscape. This galaxy contains various types of stars, dust clouds, and gas formations, which serve as the birthplaces of new stars. Astronomers also study interesting celestial objects in this galaxy, such as black holes, nebulae, and star clusters. It is speculated that there is a massive black hole at its center, which is the main source of its gravitational power. In the coming billions of years, Andromeda and the Milky Way galaxy are approaching each other and will eventually collide. As a result of this event, a new galaxy may form, which some astronomers are calling Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. The discovery and study of the Andromeda galaxy are significant in the field of astrophysics, as it provides us with an understanding of the universe beyond our own galaxy.